Hi! Another favorite childhood dessert of mine is called Kutsinta. It is made of tapioca or cassava flour mixed with all-purpose flour. It's fluffy and sweet. We usually eat it with fresh grated coconut like this. So, if you want to learn how to cook Kutsinta, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload new videos. First, we're gonna dissolve 1 tablespoon of Anato seed on 2 tablespoons of hot water. And we're just gonna mix it so we can get the color and then set this aside. First, we're gonna add our flour. Then tapioca flour or cassava flour. And brown sugar. And we're gonna slowly add water. Make sure all the dry ingredients are dissolved. Just stir it. Now that the dry ingredients completely dissolved, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lye water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and that Anato water that we did earlier. So I'm just gonna strain it, make sure we don't add the seeds. And just mix. The consistency should be very watery like this. We'll set this aside for at least 30 minutes. We're gonna brush our molds with melted butter so that it will be easier to take that off after it's done. Mixture here, after resting for 30 minutes, just gonna make sure I mix it first, and then put about 1/4 of the mixture to the mold. Then we're gonna steam for about 20 minutes. I put a cloth on the cover so that the water will not go to the mixture. I'm gonna steam it for 20 minutes.
help us 1,000 likes, please turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon!